that sound? Is it a goat, a cow, or a donkey? That's right, it's the cow.
Yay!
Did you know cows can smell things from over 6 miles away? Whoa! Woof woof! Can you name this barking buddy? Is it a cat, a horse, or a dog? Yes, it's the dog.
Yay!
Dogs have a sense of smell that's 40 times better than humans. Cluck cluck! What animal makes this sound? Is it a duck, a hen, or a turkey? That's right, it's the hen.
Yay!
A hen can lay more than 300 eggs every year. Oink oink! Who's snorting like that in the mud? Is it a pig, a cow, or a rabbit? Yes, it's the pig.
Yay!
Pigs are actually super clean and very smart animals. Meow meow! Which fluffy friend is making that sound? Is it a cat, a sheep, or a goat? Correct, it's the cat.
Yay!
Cats can jump up to 6 times their height in one leap. Ba ba. Which animal says ba and wears a woolly coat? Is it a sheep, a zebra, or a dog? That's right, it's the sheep.
Yay!
Sheep have excellent memories. They can remember faces for years. Quack quack. Who's quacking near the pond? Is it a hen, a duck, or a penguin? Yup, it's the duck.
Yay!
A duck's feathers are waterproof. Rain just slides right off. Neigh neigh. Who makes that powerful neighing sound? Is it a zebra, a horse, or a cow? You got it, it's the horse.
Yay!
Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. Ma ma. Which mountain climber is calling out? Is it a deer, a donkey, or a goat? Yes, it's the goat.
Yay!
Goats have rectangular pupils to help them see wide around them. Gobble gobble. Who's gobbling with that funny sound? Is it a turkey, a swan, or a duck? That's right, it's the turkey.
Yay!
Male turkeys are called toms and they puff up to impress others. Ring ding ding. What animal makes this tricky sound? Is it a wolf, a dog, or a fox? That's right, it's the fox.
Yay!
Foxes can make over 40 different sounds. Which giant makes that trumpeting noise? Is it an elephant, a rhino, or a hippo? Correct, it's the elephant.
Yay!
An elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles. Guess the animal swinging through trees. Is it a gorilla, a monkey, or a lemur? Yes, it's the monkey.
Yay!
Monkeys use their tails for balance when climbing. Ribbit ribbit. Which green jumper makes that sound? Is it a frog, a snake, or a lizard? That's right, it's the frog.
Yay!
Frogs drink water through their skin, not their mouths. Grr. Who growls deep in the forest? Is it a lion, a bear, or a wolf? Yes, it's the bear.
Yay!
Bears can run up to 40 kilometers per hour, faster than humans. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Who wakes up the farm every morning? Is it a rooster, a hen, or a duck? Correct, it's the rooster.
Yay!
Roosters crow even when it's still dark, not just at sunrise. Hiss. What slithery creature makes this sound? Is it a snake, a lizard, or a worm? Yes, it's the snake.
Yay!
Snakes smell with their tongues. Honk honk. Which chilly bird makes that sound? Is it a duck, a goose, or a penguin? Yup, it's the penguin.
Yay!
Penguins can't fly, but they're great swimmers. Squeak squeak. Who's making that tiny nighttime squeak? Is it a crow, a bat, or a mole? Correct, it's the bat.
Yay!
Bats use echoes to see in the dark. It's called echolocation. Gorhumph. Who makes that grumbling desert sound? Is it a donkey, a cow, or a camel? That's right, it's the camel.
Yay!
Camels can drink 40 gallons of water in one go. Huff huff growl. Who's growling under the ground? Is it a raccoon, a skunk, or a badger? You nailed it, it's the badger.
Yay!
Badgers dig huge homes called setts with many rooms. Hoo-hoo! Who's hooting in the moonlight? Is it a pigeon, an owl, or a hawk? Yup, it's the owl.
Yay!
Owls can rotate their heads almost all the way around. Thump thump. Who's thumping across the ground? Is it a rabbit, a deer, or a kangaroo? That's right, it's the kangaroo.
Yay!
Baby kangaroos are called joeys and they live in pouches. Arf arf arf. Who's barking near the ocean waves? Is it a walrus, a seal, or a sea lion? Yup, it's the seal.
Yay!
Seals use their loud barks to communicate with each other across long distances in water. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Who's pounding their chest and shouting? Is it a gorilla, a chimpanzee, or a bear? Correct, it's the gorilla.
Yay!
Gorillas are gentle giants and live in family groups. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our new videos. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And hey, check out one of our other fun learning videos popping up right here on the screen. See you in the next adventure on Brightopia TV.